Now that you've completed the open pathways phase and your drainage pathways are functioning more efficiently, the next step in the journey is addressing heavy metals. And heavy metals are one of the most common burdens that we see in bodies today. They come from many places in our environment, including our food, our water, air, medications, and everyday exposures over the course of our lives. And over time, these metals can accumulate in our tissues and even cross the blood-brain barrier. This phase of the cleanse is designed to gently begin pulling those metals out so the body can eliminate them. Inside the heavy metal kit, you'll receive 4 main tools. The first is a 7-day colon cleanse, which is used at the beginning of the cycle to help stimulate elimination and keep the colon moving while the body is beginning to release toxins. You'll also receive the heavy metal harmony capsules, which is the primary herbal blend used to support the body as it begins mobilizing heavy metals. Next up is apple a day, which just helps boost liver detoxification. And finally, the bento binder. This plays a very important role because as the metals are being pulled out, the binders help grab onto them in the digestive tract so they can be safely carried out of the body rather than being reabsorbed. For many people, this phase can be one of the most challenging parts of the journey. I know for me, it was personally. As heavy metals begin to move, especially those stored deeper in the body or near the blood-brain barrier, some people may experience temporary symptoms. And these symptoms can include fatigue, brain fog, headaches, mood changes, digestive shifts, or just a period of feeling blah. This does not mean that something is going wrong. It actually often means that the body is working actively to release what it has been holding on to. And everyone's experience will be different depending on their level of toxicity. Some people move through this phase very smoothly, while others need to move slowly and listen closely to their bodies. Many people complete 1 round of the heavy metal cleanse, but others may need 2 or even 3 rounds depending on how much the body is carrying. And one of the most common questions we receive is whether someone can do a heavy metal cleanse if they still have metal fillings in their mouth. Yes, you can still complete this phase even if you have fillings. The cleanse is designed to help the body remove metals that have accumulated over time throughout the body. As you work through this phase, it's very important to follow the schedule outlined in your book. The supplements should be spaced throughout the day according to the instructions so the body can properly absorb them and the binder can do its job effectively. The booklet will guide you step by step through when to take each product and how to space them out. As you move through this phase, you'll begin noticing signs that your body's stabilizing again. Your energy will begin to level out, your digestion will feel more consistent, and your detox symptoms will start to calm down. And these are signs that your body has moved through this layer and is ready for the next step. And the next phase of the journey focuses on another common burden many people carry: parasites, mold, and candida.